Nothing Phone 3 is officially launching on July 1st, and the company has confirmed some exciting features and hardware that show just how serious they are about making this a true flagship device. Recently, Nothing shared close-up look at one of the most talked-about upgrades on its X account, the addition of a 50-megapixel periscope camera lens. While Nothing hasn't revealed the exact zoom range yet, they've made it clear this phone is designed with creators in mind, and the camera will play a big role in that. In a teaser, the company highlighted how the camera is capable of impressive zoom and telemacro shots, giving users more flexibility when capturing details from far or extremely close distances. The company has also shared sample images taken with the Nothing Phone 3, showing the outstanding camera capabilities of the device. Furthermore, co-founder Akis Evangelidis took to social media to share more details, including a major design improvement. The new camera bump is 74% smaller compared to the one on the Phone 3a Pro. That's a significant change, especially for those who care about sleek design. He also confirmed support for 10 centimeters macro photography, showcasing sample shots captured by the Nothing community and calling them real-life Pokémons. These images show just how sharp and detailed the Phone 3's camera system can be. What makes this upgrade even more exciting is that the previous Phone 2 didn't include any telephoto lens at all. It only came with wide and ultra-wide cameras. So this time we're getting a serious leap in camera hardware. However, it's still unclear whether the Phone 3 will feature a triple camera setup, or if Nothing plans to replace the ultra-wide lens with the new periscope module. Either way, it's a big step forward in mobile photography. By the way, did you like it? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, apart from the camera, Nothing has also confirmed two other major features. The Phone 3 will introduce a redesigned glyph system called the Glyph Matrix. From the promo images, it looks like this new matrix will sit near the rear camera area. While the exact features of this updated lighting system haven't been explained, it's expected to offer more ways to customize notifications and visual feedback in a cleaner layout. Another major upgrade is under the hood. The Phone 3 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, a big jump from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 used in Phone 2. According to internal data shared by Evangelidis, users can expect up to 49% better graphics performance compared to the previous chip, and almost 88% improvement when directly compared to the older chipset used in the last model. These numbers suggest a much faster and smoother experience overall. Carl Pei has also shown his admiration for the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, and now all eyes are on how well it performs in real-world use.
But this time we're going to use a very, very new chip from this year, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4.
Right.
Phone 3 is going to be our first real flagship, so although performance is not everything, we really have to outperform our previous flagship.
Right.
So just compared to the Phone 2, it's going to be 36% faster on the CPU side, 88% stronger on GPU, and 60% stronger on the NPU.
Everyone is hoping it lives up to the expectations set by the brand. When it comes to pricing, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to cost around £800 in the UK and approximately $1,000 in the US. This has raised eyebrows, especially considering the phone doesn't use the high-end Snapdragon chip already available. Many believe this price might be on the higher side for what the device offers. Still, there's no denying that Nothing has packed this phone with notable upgrades, from the 50MP periscope lens and the revamped Glyph Matrix to the significant boost in performance with the new chipset. Phone 3 clearly represents a big step forward for the company. However, its success will heavily depend on how well it is priced globally. A great product at the wrong price could limit its reach. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3 and its pricing? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.